Okay, good morning again, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Jamaica Phantom Boy here. And the last time I ventured out to St. George's Lake, it was a mess. It looked like a lake of mud. That's when Hurricane Beryl came, and that's about a couple weeks ago now. And Hurricane Beryl came on 3rd of July. So I'm going to head back to St. George's Lake just to see what condition it's in. So you can just kick back and enjoy the ride, well, the flight. Yes, as you can see, there are some rain clouds. And I think we're gonna get some rain. Not sure, but it was drizzling, so probably we'll get some rain. I don't know, but I love the view. The view is it's very beautiful. There's a lot of houses as well, jam-packed in this one area. You have a scheme over to the right hand side. You have some housing scheme over on the right hand side. I think some double, like upstairs and downstairs, and then you have the singles them as well. So we're heading to near the lake now, the ball field. I'm going up in altitude. You can see some, I think on the field have some, like, people on the field. You know, probably them a train some ball over there, ball game or something. So we can start visit St. George's Lake now. And the water look clear from here, so look really clear. Last time it was a mess. The water brown like when you mix dirt in the water, like when place flood. That's how it did look the last time after the hurricane, after Beryl did pass. So we just ahead and zoom up. You see there? He clear up back. Wow. Like nothing never happened. Hey, may I tell you, God good, God good. Can you look on creation, man? You know how some people say, there's no God. Look on all these things around us. The sky, the cloud, the trees, birds of the air. The beast in the fields, all those stuff. You cannot tell me that there isn't a